Here's a tip for you when you're fishing a low impact beach. Just arrived here at Vilano Beach and it's pretty close to low tide. I want to show you something here that's going to help you know where to set up so that you can get on more fish. So I'm going to turn the camera around here. So we've got the ocean there. You've got these little runways of water coming down all along the beach. At low tide, you're going to be able to tell where the cuts are because you're going to look at these water running and look at where it's running into the ocean. So right over here, do you see this? Looks like a little river cutting right through this sand. And this area, by the way, is going to be really good to fish at high tide because as the water comes up, fish are going to be holding up in these little holes. Look for the spots that are deeper. You can mark it right on your GPS so you know right where to go when you come back. But don't wait too long because these sands are going to shift week to week, and when there's a storm, it's going to be different. But look at this right here. So this is called the cut. All the way out through there, there's deeper water. This is where the cut is. Now you don't want to set up right in the middle of this cut. You're going to want to set up maybe 15 yards this way, 15 yards that way. You're going to be targeting the predator fish that are hanging out on the sides of the cuts.